Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Jura Giga 6 with us in the shop. This is a Jura's bigger machines, super automatic machines, technically considered commercial, usually used in office buildings or a place where a lot of people be making machines. Comes with two grinders, two different engines for certain things. Really cool stuff in here. It came in because there was an error code that wasn't allowing it to turn on. The error code being the one for the steam sensor. This one here. If this thing goes out, it's going to try to turn on both engines. When it turns the first one on, goes through, turns the second one on. If it can't turn it on, it'll completely turn off the whole machine. So we just replaced the sensor. Did no cleaning, did no tune-up on this machine. Also, this machine does have an interesting little quirk here. Also, we did not fix that per request of the customer, but now we are set and it turns on. Usually you wouldn't even get to see the screen. But we're gonna test the machine out. We're gonna start with the foam because it's just really easy to test. We're just gonna turn it on and foam's gonna come out of there. Or steam, I should say. Usually you connect this to a hose, which will pull milk from a different container. Yeah, working fine. I'm gonna wipe that off real quick. Now we're gonna do espresso. Nope, or that. We're gonna do 2 flat whites. I'll probably cancel it after the first one. Cancel. Now it's gonna make milk. Also cancel that, since you already seen the steam. And now we're just going to test the hot water function after it loads. After I fill the water tank. Now that we have the screen back and we have water, we're just going to do hot water right there. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.